Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Rahmat Prastomo with NPM 2441161. Class Management 24A.
Understanding Law and Business Law. A comprehensive guide to legal principle and commercial practice. Law forms the backbone of civilized society and modern commerce. Whether you're an entrepreneur launching a startup, a manager overseeing operation, or simply a citizen navigating daily transactions, understanding legal principles is essential. This comprehensive guide explores the foundation of law, examines the critical distinction between public and private law, and delves deep into the special fields of business law, the legal framework, the government commercial relationship, contract, corporate entities, and marketplace transaction. By the end this presentation, you'll understand how legal system function, recognize the importance of business law in protecting your interests, and gain practical knowledge about compliance, risk management, and the key legal mechanism that enable commerce to flourish. What is law? Foundation and principles. Law is a system of rules established and enforced by governments where governmental authority to regulate behavior and maintain order within society. More than mere restrictions, laws embody society values, protect individual rights, and create the predictable framework necessary for social and economic cooperation. Justice and fairness. Laws are designed to treat individuals equitably, protect the vulnerable, and ensure that disputes are resolved through impartial process rather than personal power. Rights protection. Legal system define and defend fundamental human rights from freedom of expression to property ownership, establishing boundaries that others cannot lawfully cross. Social order. By establishing consequences for harmful behavior, laws create incentives lawful conduct and maintain the stability necessary for communities and economies to thrive. Core legal principle. Most legal systems share foundational principles. The rule of law means everyone, including government officials, is subject to law. The process ensures that legal proceedings are fair and that individuals cannot be deprived of rights arbitrarily. Legal scrutiny means people can rely on laws remaining stable and predictable. Accountability requires that those who break law face appropriate consequences through established judicial process. Laws evolve through legislation, formal rulemaking by governing bodies, common law traditional principles established through court decisions, and constitutional framework that define governmental power and protect citizen rights. Understanding this foundation is crucial for recognizing how business law fits within the broader legal landscape. Branches of law, public versus private law. The legal landscape divides into two fundamental categories, each serving distinct purposes and governed by different principles. Understanding this distinction is essential for appraising how business law functions within the broader legal system. Public law definition. Public law governs relations between individuals, organizations, and the states, involving the government's power and citizen rights and obligations to society. Key area. Constitutional law defines governmental structure and protects fundamental rights. Administrative law regulates government agencies and their interaction with citizens. Criminal law prosecutes violation against society, theft, assault, fraud. Tax law governs revenue collection and fiscal obligation. Enforcement, the state prosecutes violation in the public interest with penalties including fines, imprisonment, or license revocation. Private law, definition: private law regulates relations between individuals, organizations, and business concerning personal risks, property, and contractual obligation. Key area: contract law enforces agreement between parties. Property law governs ownership, transfer, and use of assets. Tort law addresses civil wrongs and personal injuries. Family law covers marriage, divorce, and inheritance. Enforcement: individual parties bring lawsuits seeking monetary damage or specific remedies, with the court determining liability between private parties. Business law position: business law primarily falls within private law, joint interest with public law through employment regulation, securities oversight, antitrust rules, and environmental compliance. Understanding both dimensions helps business leaders navigate the complete legal environment. Introduction to business law, its scope and importance. Business law is the specialist field of law that governs commercial transactions, corporate operation, and economic relationships. It provides the legal infrastructure to enable business to form, operate, expand, and resolve disputes. Without business law, commerce as we know it would be impossible. Parties would lack mechanisms to enforce agreements, protect intellectual property, or stabilize liability. 1. Creates legal predictability. Business law establishes clear rules about contract formation, performance obligation, and remedy for breach. This predictability allows parties to confidently enter agreements knowing their risks and obligations are legally enforceable and standardized across transactions. 2. Protect economic interests. Through intellectual property law, business law protects innovation, brand, and creative work. Through securities law and corporate governance rules, it protects investors. Through consumer protection statutes, it safeguards customer interests. 4. Facilitates dispute resolution. When commercial relationships break down, business law provides framework for resolution through negotiation, mediation, arbitration, or litigation, preventing disputes from escalating into hostile or violent confrontation. Why it matters? Whether negotiating supplier contracts, protecting brand identity, ensuring regulatory compliance, or managing employment relationship, business leaders constantly encounter legal issues. Organizations that understand and proactively manage legal risks outperform competitors who treat law as an afterthought. Key areas of business law: contract, companies, and commerce. Business law encompasses multiple specialist domains addressing critical aspects of commercial operation. Mastering these core areas provides the foundation for sound business decision making. Contract law: the cornerstone of business transaction. Contract establish legally binding agreements for sales, service, employment, licensing, and partnership. Key principles include offer and acceptance, consideration, mutual intent, and proper formation. Understanding contract basic ways makes agreement enforceable. How to interpret ambiguous terms and remedy for breach is essential for every business professional. Corporate and company law govern how businesses are structured, registered, and operated. Corporate formation, incorporation requirements, governance board responsibilities, shareholder risks, compliance obligation, and dissolution. different entities, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, limited liability companies carry distinct legal implications for liability, taxation, and management structure. Commercial and sales law regulates transactions involving goods and services, establishes rules about buyer-seller relationship, warranties about product quality, risk of loss, allocation, and remedies when products are defective. Commercial law also addresses payment mechanisms including such electronic transfer and credit arrangements. Security and finance law governs investment, offering, stock trading, and corporate financing. Private investor, drug disclosure and enforcement, and prevents fraud. For companies seeking capital through stock offerings or bonds, securities law compliance is mandatory and complex. Legal framework for business operations, regional and sectoral compliance. Business operations exist within multiple overlapping legal frameworks, national laws, regional regulations, industry-specific requirements, and increasingly international standards. Successful organizations develop compliance strategies accounting for this complexity. Multi-level legal environments. 1. National framework. At country established foundational business law drug its legal system, statutory codes, case law precedents, and constitutional protections. National laws address company registration, contracts, employment taxations, and consumer protection. Compliance begins with mastering your home country's legal requirement. And 2. Regional requirement. Many regions impose additional requirements through regulatory bodies and trade agreements. The European Union enforces extensive data protections, competition, and employment regulation. 3. Sector-specific regulation. Industry-specific laws address unique risks and public policy concerns, financial service-based banking regulation, and consumer protection rules. Healthcare business comply with patent privacy laws. Environmental regulations apply to manufacturers, technology companies navigate data protection and cybersecurity requirements. 4. International standards. Global commerce increasingly requires compliance with international norms, ISO standard for quality, international trade agreements reducing tariff, and conventions addressing everything from intellectual property to maritime commerce. Multinational companies must navigate these complex international requirements while serving local markets. Strategic compliance approach. Rather than viewing compliance as burdensome, leading organization embeds legal requirements into business process from the beginning. They establish governance structures, staff compliance functions, conduct regular audit, and train employees on relevant obligations. This proactive approach reduces costly violations and legal disputes while building competitive advantage, drugs, ethical, operational, and stakeholder trust. Navigating legal challenge, risk management, and compliance. Legal risks are inherent in business operations. Smart organizations implement systematic approach to identify, assess, manage, and mitigate these risks before they escalate into costly disputes, regulatory violations, or business failures. Comprehensive risk management framework. Identifying legal risks. The first step involves recognizing where legal exposure exists. Key risks areas include: 1. Establish clear policies and procedures. Document organizational policies addressing legal compliance, ethics, and decision making. Policy on conflicts or interest data, privacy, cybersecurity, and regulatory compliance should be communicated clearly and consistently enforced. Regulatory policy updates ensure they address emerging legal developments. 2. Invest in legal expertise. Whether those in-house counsel for large organizations or external legal advice for small businesses, having access to competent legal guidance is essential. Attorneys help review contracts, assess compliance posture, and provide strategic advice on critical decisions. This investment in legal support often prevents far more costly problems. 3. Create culture of compliance. Legal risk management is not solely a legal department function. Organizations with strong compliance culture educate employees, empower them to raise concerns, and respond swiftly to potential violations. Regular training ensures staff understand the legal obligation and the consequence of non-compliance. 4. Monitor and adapt. Legal environments continuously evolve through new legislation, regulatory guidance, and court decisions. Effective organizations monitor development in their industry and jurisdiction, updating policies and practice accordingly. Subscribe to legal updates, participate in industry associations, and maintain relationship with legal advice for alerts you to significant changes. The value of legal understanding in business success. Throughout this guide, we've explored how law shapes business operations and commercial relationships. The conclusion is clear: legal understanding is not a luxury for large corporations with dedicated legal department. Is a fundamental business skill, increasingly essential in today's complex regulated environment. Risk protection. Legal knowledge helps you identify vulnerability, protect assets, and avoid costly disputes that can devastate business. Stakeholder confidence. Employee, customer, investor, and partners gain confidence in organizations that demonstrate legal expertise and ethical commitment. Sustainable growth. Organizations built on legal foundation experience sustainable growth. Strong relationship. Understanding contract law and compliance obligation enables you to build trustworthy business relationship. Competitive advantage. Companies with strong legal and compliance culture outperform competitors, investors, partners, and customers, increasingly favor organizations they perceive as ethically managed and legally sound. Strategic decision making. Understanding legal implications improves business decisions from expensive strategies to finance structure to market entry approach. Key takeaway. Whether you're launching a startup, managing a growing company, or leading an established enterprise, investing time and understanding law and business law pays dividends. Combine this foundational knowledge with ongoing legal education, relationship with trusted advice for, and a commitment to ethical practice. The result not only reduce legal risk but enhance organizational credibility, stakeholder relationship, and long-term success. Law is not an obstacle to business; it's the foundation upon which sustainable, trustworthy commerce is built.